Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 368 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Note Skin Perfecting Illuminator Healthy Glow Photo Ready, and this is a sample that I got from Ulta recently. And so it says, this satin smooth formula illuminates, instantly primes, and gives radiance and evenness to the skin tone while hydrating the skin. And it says that you just apply a thin layer before makeup, but you can also use it alone as a highlighter. So I'm going to try it in both ways. Also, this is paraben free, and I'm pretty sure the bronzer illuminator that I love to mix in with my foundation is from this same brand, Note. So if you want to see my review on that bronzing illuminator mix-in type of product, I will link that video down below. I forgot to grab a hair tie, but my hair is so long now that I don't even need a hair tie to put it back in a bun, which is kind of nice. But I did set a hair appointment for a haircut next week. I'm like, should I just test a little bit or should I just go right ahead and apply it to the whole face? And you know what? I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to apply it all over my entire face. Wow, this smells like soap. It's interesting. Kind of feels like I may have taken a lot because it is like a pretty thin formula and it does like spread a lot. So I may have taken too much for my entire face. Wow. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the full size product retails for $16.99. So it does have the consistency of a lotion. And wow, this definitely gives a glow to the skin. My skin looks very dewy to the point of looking sweaty and greasy. But it's interesting because it doesn't have any shimmer to it. It really just has shine. So I'm interested in how this can actually work as a highlighter. So I am dry on my chin, and this does feel moisturizing, but it will be interesting to see how the foundation looks on top of it and if it really does keep the skin hydrated. And then as far as evening out the skin tone, I'm not seeing any of that because you can definitely still see so much redness and just all around unevenness to my skin, and I really don't think that it looks at all improved from before I applied this. But my skin feels nice, it feels very moisturized. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation on top of this, and I'm going to be using my favorite foundation. I can absolutely say that this is my favorite foundation. People will often say this product is life-changing, and they probably don't really mean it, but this really is a life-changing product because it just makes my skin look so perfect that it changes my life by giving me confidence. I just feel so beautiful when I wear this. And to have that in life is really great. Like, it's one of the best things I can have. So I'm so thankful that I tried this out. And if you haven't tried it yet, you really should. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And if you want to see my review on this foundation, I will link that video down below. But so this foundation does have a matte finish to it, so I'm very interested to see how it's going to look on top of this illuminating primer, and that's also why I chose to use this foundation, because I want to see if it can give any illumination to such a matte finish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying. So I moved my filming setup into my sister's room while she's at college, which is so nice. I love not having to squeeze everything into my own bedroom, so taking over her bedroom when she's gone. But oh my gosh, it's so hot in here. I don't know why it's so hot in her room when my room is so cold. But of course, she comes back from college pretty often, so I already have to move my filming stuff after I film this. Kind of a pain in the butt, but gotta make do. Before I finish applying the foundation to my entire face, I want to see comparison. So I just have the primer here, no foundation on yet, compared to this side of my face that has the foundation. And I'm trying to see if I can notice much difference of using the primer, if there's illumination, but not really seeing any. I feel like the foundation is looking the same as it does when I use a not illuminating primer, so it does seem to have the same finish. Okay, so now the foundation is fully applied and I can't see much radiance at all to my skin right now, but as far as primer qualities go, my skin does look very smooth where I'm dry on my chin. My skin looks very hydrated as far as my large pores along my cheeks and my nose. The makeup is sitting very nicely. It looks very smooth, so the pores are kind of minimized and smoothed out. So all in all, liking how this works as just a general primer. But to see that illuminating aspect, I'm gonna go ahead and try using it alone as a highlighter. So I'm just gonna take a tiny bit. Gosh. It's just so liquidy that as I'm applying it, it's moving the foundation. So I don't like that at all. I feel like it's just like dissolving up the foundation underneath it and just looking like greasy shiny, not like a pretty illumination. Oh yeah, so I could not wear this as like a highlighter. Oh well, so this is definitely not my favorite product I've ever used. I love that bronzing illuminator from the brand Note, but this one here, I have other primers that I like a lot more, and since it doesn't give me that illuminating highlight that a lot of other illuminators do, this is just not great at being either a primer or an illuminator in my opinion, so combined, not that good either. So in this case, I'm glad I just have a sample of it and now I know. If you've tried anything from this brand though, let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on those products, what products you've tried, all of that. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.